The new Cayman GT4 and Boxster Spyder are the Porsche 718 models we've been waiting for. Porsche has unveiled the 718 Boxster Spyder and Cayman GT4. For the first time, we get some ultra high performance models since the Boxster and Cayman went to the 718 designation. And here are 3 reasons why the new Boxster Spyder and Cayman GT4 are the 718s we've been waiting for. Reason number 1, the naturally aspirated 4-liter flat 6. That's right, 4-liter flat 6, no turbocharger. This is the first time since the Boxster went to the 718 designation that they haven't just used a turbocharger, and they're back to a flat 6. It's been flat 4 since then, and unfortunately the sound's a little Subaru. Performance is awesome, but sound, not as good. At least for those that prefer the flat 6 whale. A 4-liter engine was rumored for a while, but a lot of us thought probably not. Why would they do that? But they actually made a 4-liter engine specifically for the Cayman GT4 and the Boxster Spyder. The output is 414 horsepower, which in a car that is fairly lightweight, that's a good amount of power. And this time, both the Boxster Spyder and the Cayman GT4 get the same power rating. In previous generations, the Boxster Spyder was held back a little bit, but now both of them get exactly the same amount of power. Here's reason number 2. The 6-speed manual is the only option. For those of us that love driving experience, the manual is just a better driving experience than the dual clutch PDK transmission. PDK is an incredible transmission. Porsche had me out at one point to drive Panameras in Atlanta, take them on the track, and they had the PDK transmission. I'll tell you what, that thing makes you look like a whole lot better driver. But if you want that raw driving experience, there's nothing like rowing your own. And Porsche realized that there is definitely a market for that. I mean, obviously they did with the GT3 when originally they got rid of the manual as an option, and then all of a sudden another generation came back and you could get it again. And reason number 3, the 0 to 60 time is 4.2 seconds, and that's with the manual transmission. So with a PDK, it would be faster than that. What's amazing about that time is that even without all the extra dual clutch technology of a PDK, that 0 to 60 time is faster than a base 911 Carrera with the optional PDK transmission. Of course, with the Boxster Spyder and the Cayman GT4, it's not all about straight lines. It's fast in a straight line, but it's not all about straight lines. The handling is incredible. Mid-engine balance, you automatically have that great handling, but then taking parts from the GT3 for suspension and such helps it just corner better than just about anything else. It is pretty much a race car for the road, a mini race car for the road, let's say. There's a lot of worry that the new Cayman GT4 and Boxster Spyder would have a turbocharged flat 4, just a bigger turbo, something along the line of souped up GTS. But thankfully, Porsche saw the light and was like, our GT4 and our Boxster Spyder cannot be turbocharged. They have to be naturally aspirated, and they have to have a flat 6 engine, and there was much rejoicing. The Cayman GT4 and Boxster Spyder do cost more than a base 911 Carrera, but in the long run, the Boxster Spyder and Cayman GT4 will be more special than a base Carrera. It's a baby GT3. That's what these models are. They're basically baby GT3s. Now, they're not for everyone because they're not going to be as compromising, as comfortable. The 911, the newer 911s are great GT cars, really. They can eat up miles, they're fast, they're incredible machines. But for someone that wants a pure driving experience for roughly the same amount as a 911, a little bit more than the base Carrera, but not too much, Cayman GT4 and Boxster Spyder have a lot of value for the money. You just might want to own more than that, so that when you want a slightly more comfortable ride, you have that as an option. Having said that, I'm weird and I'd love to own a Cayman GT4, and I'd be fine with that being my only car outside of the family car, because I can't take anyone else. So thanks for watching. Go down to the comments, let us know, what would you get? Would you get the Boxster Spyder? Would you get the Cayman GT4? Would you get a 911 Carrera instead? And if you like this video, make sure to give a big thumbs up. That thumbs down, you know, tech support just hasn't bothered with it on YouTube, so I don't know if it's ever going to get fixed. So don't even bother clicking it. Only click the thumbs up button. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. We're going to have a giveaway of our merchandise once we hit 10,000 subscribers. So you might be the lucky person that gets some of our merch. And if you've already subscribed, make sure to share this with any of your friends that you think are interested in sports cars. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Thanks for watching. Sippy sippy.